calls about their whereabouts. That's the sad part about it.
It was an archetype of terror once.
Yeah, but sad that I also got a police call to look for this boy. Why is he writing about the political questions about Kashmir? That's the saddest part we are facing when we mentor and teach people. The kind of the censorship we are trying to put on. But as the other point yesterday said, that art should be free to talk about. We should write poetry, we should do paintings, sculptures, performances, and so on, many other forms of art forms, and these kids should be allowed to vent out that. And I'll be more interested into looking this Abyssins part again, coming back to the question of Eporia, like inviting those people who grew with this anger outside Kashmir, who never visited back. I have a very beautiful story to tell you, but I don't think I have time for that. Once we brought a Pandit guy with us, a young boy who was affected by Agha Shahid's poetry, and it was his first time to Kashmir. And me, Vivek, Raina, Dr. Khalid, Dr. Gaur Fazli, and me, we were in the same car. First, he was bombarded that they are all doctors, and because her parents had told her that they are all terrorists. And then he called back, "Mama, ye to charun doctor hai." so till we reached Kazigund and on this side of Kashmir, he got nearly 100 calls. And there is Maria. Actually, he came to your home as he hosted him, and then he at one point simply switched off his phone and he said that hell with you. I am not going to listen to you. There is nobody killing me here. And he fell in love with a girl here and he wanted to marry, but didn't happen. I said, ये तो love jihad वाला चक्कर हो जाएगा. तो वो पता नहीं. And he was from theatre, and the kind of stories he had heard, and he couldn't bear any call from his parents anymore. He said, I'm not even going to live. ये गुनाह हम कर किया, तो ये गुनाह भी हमारी सर चढ़ेगा कि हमने आपको अपने माँ बाप से छुड़वाया. So I like to sort of have a conversation rather than giving you a lecture on this. The kind of experiences I had with in this field rather, because I sort of am anchor between the two generations. One is my teacher's generation, Shabir Mirza, all of them are retired now, some of them are no more here, and the new generation who are all over the world doing their work with new medias and mediums. Thank you very much. If anybody has any question, please. Yeah.
It's not really a question, but just a little more.
हैंडीक्राफ्टर्स को मतलब मैं कोड नहीं ये कोड पाने पद करो सब थैंक यू शकील मकर पद आख मिनट ठहरियो तो यम तो शकील शकील अब्दुल सलाम टाइम